Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook well-done steak on grill. Start with a good quality steak, at least 1 inch thick, to ensure it cooks evenly to well done. Patting your steak completely dry is a crucial step for achieving that perfect, flavorful crust. Don't be shy with your seasoning. A generous application of salt and pepper, or your favorite rub, right before it hits the heat will enhance its natural flavors beautifully. To begin, preheat your grill to a high temperature, aiming for around 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense initial heat is key for developing a beautiful, flavorful crust. Place your seasoned steak directly over the hottest part of the grill. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see a rich, deep brown crust forming. After achieving that initial sear, move your steak to a cooler, indirect heat zone on the grill. Close the lid to allow the heat to circulate evenly, ensuring the inside cooks thoroughly without burning the outside. Continue cooking, flipping the steak every 3 to 4 minutes. For a well-done steak, aim for an internal temperature between 160 and 170 degrees Fahrenheit using a reliable meat thermometer. Once your steak reaches the perfect well-done temperature, remove it from the grill immediately. Transfer it to a cutting board and loosely tent it with foil. This resting period is absolutely essential. It allows the juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire steak. A rest of 5 to 10 minutes will ensure every bite is incredibly tender and bursting with flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.